Hello everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to learn some Hindi letters and we are going to find out the hidden letters behind one letter. Let me think. So, today we will take the letter Th and we will find out some hidden letters in the Th. Let's go. Come with me. Are you having fun by finding out the hidden letters in the letters? So, we are getting so many letters. I think we are learning so many letters in one letter. So, for more updates, watch my channel, watch the video, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.